Hi friends, welcome to S&D Innovations. Today in this video I'll show you how to make a arc lighter. So you can make a arc lighter with the help of only two components. One is arc lighter circuit, another is a normal lithium ion battery. So first of all you connect the two components together as shown in the video. But be careful during the time of soldering. The power switch must be put in off condition so that it doesn't goes on. So let's check it. It is working, you can see it here. The most important thing is it will give output of about 2 kV. So there is a risk of electric shock. So if you don't know electronics, please don't try this type of experiment at your home. However, now I will install the battery at its back with the help of glue tape, and it is ready for the operation. The circuit consists of a charging circuit also. So if you directly connect this with AC power 220 volt, it will charge the battery. So you don't need to install a separate charging circuit along with this circuit. So let's test how it will work. You can see it is working fine without any issue. So you can see it here, only two component is there, a battery and a high voltage circuit. This type of circuit is available in Amazon or Flipkart at only 70 to 80 rupees, maximum 100 rupees. So with the help of this you can make it. However, please subscribe S&D Innovations to get